Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unstar starred messages on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The Start Messages features allows you to bookmark specific messages so you can quickly revert back to them later. But what if you no longer need that message and you want to unstart that message? You can unstart the messages so simple. So first of all, of course we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. You can go to start message here, tap on start messages. So here's the list, start messages on your WhatsApp from all contacts. And if you want to unstart the message, you can choose, for the example, I will choose this one. You can tap and hold to the message and you will see there is a star icon here. You can tap on there and the star message no longer in this list because you have unstarred them. You can also unstar more than one messages like this, so it will disappear from this list. So that is how to unstar start messages on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.